Got anything else shoved up on you? We're going to have to check that, but based on my training and experience, I think we both, I can already tell what it is.
Did you hear what he said? He said, based on my training and experience. Generally, that's a legal phrase. He's not just saying that for no reason. Based on training and experience holds weight in court with a judge. So an officer might say, based on my training and experience, I identified that substance as cocaine or whatever the case may be. And so what they're basically saying is, I was trained to identify that either at an academy or a training course or a drug course or in my line of work, and I have experience identifying that. So for example, if I, over 10 years, my experience is that when I tested a certain substance and I observed it and it tested positive for cocaine, based on my experience now over all those intervals of all the times that it tested positive and it looked in a certain way, I can now say I can identify that substance. I can identify it just by looking at it.
Walk this way.